gonna be so shaky.
Why the world is so cold. Why she's all alone and they never met her family. Mama's always gone and she never met her daddy. Part of her is missing and nobody will listen. Mama's on drugs, getting high up in the kitchen. Bringing home in at different hours of the night. Starting with some laughs, usually ending in a fight. Sneaking in a room when her mama's knocked out. Trying to have his way and little Lisa says ouch. She tries to resist, but then all he does is beat her. Tries to tell her mom, but her mama don't believe her. Lisa's stuck up in the world on her own. First the thing that hell is a place called home. Nothing else to do but get some clothes and pack. She says she's about to run away and never come back. Is only 10 years old. She's steady trying to figure why the world is so cold.
Orange punch blanket.
She's not pretty and
where? It went that way.
Alcoholics stepdad always wanna drag it. Yes, and abuses.
I don't know.
Just ask questions. She's making up excuses. Bleeding on the inside, crying on the out. There's only one girl really knows what she's about. Her name is Little Stacy and they become friends. Promise that they'll always be tight till the end. Until one day Little Stacy gets shot.
I'm so hyper.
Now Nicole's stuck up in the world on her own. Forced to think that hell is a place called home. Nothing else to do but getting clothes and pack. She says she's about to run away and never come back.
Orange Hummer. I mean yellow.
Yeah, orange Hummer.
She's steady trying to figure why the world is so cold. So she pops X to get rid of all the pain. Plus she's having sex with a boy who's 16. Emotions run deep and she thinks she's in love. So there's no protection, he's using no glove. Never thinking about the consequences of her actions. Living for today and not tomorrow's satisfaction. The days go by and the building gets big. The father bells out, he ain't ready for a kid. Knowing her mama would blow her out of proportion. Plus she lives poor, no money for abortion. Erica's stuck up in the world on her own. To think that hell is the place called home. Nothing else to do but get her clothes intact. She said she's about to run away and never come back.
He said he still hasn't heard from Marty. What do we want to do?
Say, I don't know, but we took your car.
No, I'm not trying to have him mad at me.
Say, and then tell him I told you to say it. If you want me to, I can only imagine what you're going through, ladies. Sometimes I feel like running away myself. So do me a favor right now and close your eyes. And picture us running away together. And when we come back, everything's gonna be okay.
I don't know what it looks like if we... Did you even take it for real?
Yeah. I don't know.